Hey you all, welcome back to the channel. I'm Komal and today I'm showing you a very easy French twisted bun hairstyle. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all, take some hair from the front and start twisting it. And pull it out a little bit to create a volume to the front. Now pin it to the back side and do the same thing to the other side and pin it to the back. Now grab all your hair and create a ponytail from it. And now I have this hair tool that you can easily find out on any online website or store. And now place it behind the rubber band and now grab all your hair and pass it through the hole. And pull the tool to the right side. And all your hair going to flip out from right to the left. Now I'm just back combing my hair so I easily can pin up them. Now divide your hair into two parts. Now roll the first part around your finger and pin it up. Now take the second part and roll it around your finger and pin it up. Like we are doing French twist and it's just like that. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.